Case Club Apple Mac Studio display case. Honest review. Real airport travel test results revealed. Have you ever boxed up your screen and prayed it survived baggage handlers? Last month, I packed my setup for an on-site client shoot, sweating over every single bump. If you know that exact travel terror, hit like. Then I found the Case Club Apple Mac Studio display case. Ever had expensive gear crack in transit? Tell me below. That heavy knot in your stomach at airport baggage claim is completely real, especially after makeshift cardboard and thin blankets failed you. You watch the carousel, bracing for cracked glass. But moving your entire creative workstation should never feel like an anxious gamble. True calm comes from rugged structural protection that gives you total control wherever you land next. Don't just pick any monitor transport case. Make sure it has precision custom foam inserts so you never suffer catastrophic screen impact and shattered glass again. When I discovered this rugged setup, my entire workflow changed. Its injection-molded polypropylene shell repels punishing drops, while the rubber gasket creates a submersible waterproof seal. Inside, dedicated compartments cradle 2 Mac Studios, your keyboard, mouse, and cords. Smooth tilt wheels and an extension handle speed airport navigation, while an automatic purge valve balances cabin pressure. Here is what surprised me most during production travel. A video editor flying late for a live event faced rough turbulence and drenched baggage carts, risking a strict dawn delivery. Because 5 trigger latches locked out moisture and cushioned the hardware, he unpacked in his hotel, booted up instantly, and completed the render with hours to spare. That sudden wave of calm and operational speed proves why thoughtful engineering truly protects your livelihood under extreme pressure. You stay entirely focused on creating great work everywhere you go. Isn't that real peace? Once you integrate this rolling protective system into your workflow, studio relocations feel completely seamless. Expert hardware evaluators emphasize that its military-spec construction gives traveling creators genuine confidence, while touring creative influencers confirm their fragile displays arrived totally flawless across demanding overseas flights. Industry analysts also note how Case Club dominates specialized transport by balancing heavy armor with smooth mobility. Furthermore, verified long-term buyers report checking the case through multiple international connections without experiencing any internal movement. Let us address the obvious trade-off: total weight and upfront cost. At 28 pounds empty and 63 pounds fully loaded, lifting it into high vehicle trunks definitely requires 2 hands, and airline overweight baggage fees may occasionally apply. However, when you weigh that against the thousands required to replace shattered equipment mid-shoot, the calculation is clear. Picture your next project: rolling onto location, popping open the secure latches, and powering up a perfect desktop color-accurate workstation with absolute peace of mind. That predictable reliability protects your schedule, your client relationships, and your craft everywhere you go. Ready to experience stress-free transport on your next major assignment? Here is the absolute best way to secure your workstation right now. Transforming mobile production from a nerve-wracking gamble into complete security changes how freely you work. With thousands of creators, rental houses, and traveling teams already relying on this rugged setup worldwide, you never have to leave your best monitor behind. To inspect full specifications or grab your own Case Club Apple Mac Studio display case, click our official affiliate link in the description and pinned comment below. As an affiliate, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Safe travels and happy creating!
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.